In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Then use this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it and hit pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or while trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to connected device and hit unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!